Muscle pain isn't just soreness, it's a silent scream. And every time you pop a pill to silence it, you might be making it worse. Before you take another painkiller, watch this, or risk never healing. In this video, we're going deep into what muscle pain really means, why painkillers may be trapping you in a cycle of chronic pain, and the science-backed method that could change everything in just 5 minutes. The painkiller trap. Painkillers like ibuprofen, aspirin, and naproxen are sold almost everywhere. Most people take them without thinking twice. If your back hurts, your legs are sore, or your neck feels stiff, you just grab a pill. It feels like a fast fix. But what most people don't know is this: painkillers don't solve the problem, they hide it. And when you keep using them over and over, you may be doing real harm to your body. Nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs like Advil or Motrin may help pain and swelling, but using them for too long or too often is risky. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention reports that over 15,000 people die each year in the US from problems linked to these drugs. That's more than some cancers. Long-term use can lead to bleeding in the stomach, kidney damage, and heart issues, even if you're healthy. The scariest part? These drugs don't actually fix your pain. They block pain signals in your brain. That means the pain is still there, but you just can't feel it as much. So, if you're dealing with a pulled muscle or joint problem, taking painkillers can make you feel better for a few hours, but you might end up doing more damage without realizing it. This creates a dangerous cycle. You feel pain, take a pill, pain fades, keep doing the same movements, injury gets worse, need more pills. Before long, you rely on painkillers just to get through the day. That's not healing. That's a trap. Instead of reaching for pills first, your body needs support, not silence. Pain is a message, not an enemy. It's your body trying to tell you something is wrong. Ignoring that message by covering it up with medication can turn short-term pain into a long-term problem. Before you reach for another pill, ask, am I helping my body or just quieting it down? What muscle pain really means. Muscle pain is not random. It happens for a reason. Your body is trying to send you a message. That message is usually, something's wrong. Pay attention. But most people don't listen. They think pain is just a bad thing that needs to be shut off. That's a mistake. Pain is one of the most important ways your body protects you. There are different types of muscle pain. One common type is soreness after exercise. This is called DOMS, delayed onset muscle soreness. It happens when your muscles work harder than usual or in a new way. Tiny tears form in the muscle fibers. This is normal. Your body repairs those tears and makes the muscles stronger. That's why this type of pain usually fades in a few days. But not all muscle pain is safe. If the pain is sharp, lasts more than a few days, or happens even when you're not moving, it could be a sign of injury. Sometimes pain shows up because of poor posture, stress, or even lack of sleep. According to the Cleveland Clinic, stress can make muscles tense up, especially in the neck, shoulders, and back. When stress sticks around, the muscles stay tight. This causes long-lasting pain. Your brain also plays a big role. Harvard research shows that the brain decides how much pain you feel. If you are tired, anxious, or afraid, your brain can increase the pain signal, even if the injury is small. So pain is not just physical, it's emotional too. The brain, nerves, and muscles all work together. Muscle pain is like a warning light in your car. You don't smash the light. You check the engine. In the same way, don't just cover pain. Understand it. Your body is not attacking you. It's protecting you. And if you listen closely, it will tell you exactly what it needs to heal. The hidden triggers. You're ignoring. Most people think muscle pain only comes from hard workouts or injuries, but in many cases, the real causes are hidden in your daily habits. These triggers build up over time. You don't notice them until the pain becomes too much to ignore. Knowing what these triggers are can help you fix the problem before it gets worse. Dehydration is one of the most common but ignored reasons. Your muscles need water to move and repair. According to the Mayo Clinic, even mild dehydration can cause cramps, weakness, and muscle pain. If you're not drinking enough water or losing too much through sweat or heat, your muscles will start to hurt. Poor posture is another big reason. Johns Hopkins experts say slouching at a desk, looking down at your phone, or sitting too long can cause tension in your neck, shoulders, and back. Over time, your muscles get stuck in a tight position. This makes them sore, even when you're not doing anything active. Lack of sleep is often overlooked. During sleep, your body repairs muscles and removes inflammation. If you don't sleep well, your body can't do that job. Harvard research shows that poor sleep can raise your pain levels and slow down recovery. Nutrient problems also matter. Many people don't get enough magnesium, potassium, or vitamin D, all important for muscle health. The Cleveland Clinic says low magnesium levels can lead to cramps and soreness, especially after exercise. Too much sitting and no movement also causes pain. Muscles need blood flow and regular use. If you stay still for hours, your muscles stiffen up. When you finally move, they feel tight and painful. Stress is another hidden trigger. When you feel worried or angry, your muscles tighten without you realizing it. If that stress continues, it turns into long-term pain. These things may not seem like a big deal on their own, but when they stack up, they overload your muscles. It's like adding weight to a backpack every day. Eventually, it gets too heavy to carry. Fixing these triggers can reduce pain without any pills at all. The 5-minute reset routine. You need to try first. Before you take another painkiller, try this short 5-minute reset. It's simple, safe, and backed by science. It helps your body calm down, release muscle tension, and start healing. You don't need fancy tools. You just need to follow the steps. Step 1. Deep breathing, 1 minute. Start with slow, deep breaths. Breathe in through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Breathe out through your mouth for 6 seconds. Repeat this for 1 full minute. According to Harvard Health, deep breathing helps lower stress, reduces tension, and sends a signal to your brain that you are safe. This alone can reduce muscle tightness caused by stress. Step 2. Gentle movement, 1 minute. Stand up and do slow arm circles, neck rolls, and hip swings. Keep it easy and smooth. Don't push too hard. The goal is to get your blood flowing. Cleveland Clinic says light movement improves circulation, helps your muscles warm up, and reduces stiffness. Step 3. Pressure point massage, 1 minute. Take a tennis ball or your hand and press gently on the sore spot. Move in small circles or hold steady pressure for 30 seconds, then release. Johns Hopkins explains this helps reduce pain signals and breaks up tight muscle knots. Step 4. Quick hydration fix, 30 seconds. Drink a glass of water with a pinch of salt and a squeeze of lemon. Your muscles need water and electrolytes to work well. Mayo Clinic says dehydration can make muscles cramp or feel sore. This drink helps bring balance back fast. Step 5. Magnesium rub or Epsom salt soak, 1 to 2 minutes. If you have Epsom salt, soak your feet or hands in warm water for a minute or 2, or rub magnesium oil on sore areas. Cleveland Clinic says magnesium helps relax muscles and reduce inflammation naturally. This full routine takes 5 minutes or less. It gives your body what it really needs: blood flow, oxygen, minerals, and calm. Do this first, before you reach for any pills. You might be surprised how fast it helps. When to actually take a painkiller. Painkillers are not always bad. In some cases, they are helpful and even necessary, but the key is knowing when to use them. If you take them too often or at the wrong time, they can cause more harm than good. The CDC and Mayo Clinic agree that painkillers should be used only when the pain is strong enough to stop you from sleeping, moving, or doing basic tasks, and when other safe methods don't work. Let's say you pull a muscle and can't walk or sit without sharp pain. You've tried breathing, stretching, and resting, but nothing helps. This is a time when a short-term dose of pain medicine may help. It can reduce swelling and give your body a break so it can begin healing. But it should be used for a day or 2, not for weeks. Never use painkillers just to push through a workout, fix normal soreness, or keep doing things that cause the pain in the first place. Harvard Health warns that doing this can cover up serious injuries and make them worse. Pain is your body's way of asking for care. If you turn it off without fixing the cause, you risk more damage. Also, be careful with how much and how often you take them. NSAIDs like ibuprofen or naproxen can hurt your stomach, liver, kidneys, or heart if used too much. Cleveland Clinic says people with high blood pressure, kidney problems, or stomach ulcers should not take these drugs without talking to a doctor. If the pain keeps coming back, don't just take more pills. Go see a health professional. There may be a deeper issue that needs to be treated, not hidden. Painkillers should be like a fire extinguisher, used during emergencies, not sprayed every time something feels off. In short, use painkillers only when needed, for a short time, and never as the first step. Your body needs healing, not muting. Make smart choices that help your pain go away for good. The long game. How to stay pain-free naturally. If you want to stop muscle pain for good, you need to focus on long-term habits, not quick fixes. Painkillers and short routines can help in the moment, but they won't stop pain from coming back. To stay pain-free, your body needs a plan that works every day. This includes movement, food, sleep, and stress control. When all these parts work together, your muscles heal faster and hurt less. Daily movement is the most important step. Harvard Health says that regular walking, stretching, and light strength exercises keep muscles strong and flexible. You don't need a gym. Just move every day. If you sit for long hours, get up every 30 minutes. Tight muscles get weak and painful when they aren't used enough. Good posture also matters. Cleveland Clinic reports that standing or sitting with your back straight, shoulders back, and chin up reduces pressure on your neck, back, and legs. Slouching causes muscle strain over time. Fixing posture helps prevent this. Your food choices also affect muscle pain. An anti-inflammatory diet can lower pain in the body. Mayo Clinic recommends eating foods like salmon, olive oil, berries, leafy greens, and nuts. Avoid too much sugar, fried food, and soda. These can cause more swelling in your muscles. Sleep is when your body heals. If you don't get enough sleep, your muscles can't recover. The National Sleep Foundation says adults need 7 to 9 hours each night. Try to sleep and wake up at the same time every day. This helps your body stay in balance. Lastly, control your stress. Long-term stress causes your muscles to stay tight, which leads to pain. Deep breathing, meditation, or even a walk in fresh air can help. Harvard studies show that just 10 minutes of calm breathing each day can lower tension in the body. There's no one magic fix, but small steps done daily lead to real change. Your body wants to heal. Give it what it needs: movement, rest, good food, and peace. That's how you stay pain-free without pills. Pain isn't the enemy. Ignoring it is. Before you take another pill, try listening to your body instead. If this helped you, hit the like button and share it with someone in pain. And don't forget to subscribe for more real, science-backed health fixes.